Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up Google Workspace email for your Squarespace website. Using Workspace with Squarespace lets us create a professional email address that matches our domain. Let's go through the steps together. First, open your browser. Once the browser is open, go to squarespace.com. When you are on the page, log into your account. After logging in, go to the dashboard. Click the menu icon in the upper left corner and choose Account Dashboard. On the upper left, we can see both Dashboard and Domain. Now, go to Domain. If you already have a domain, you will see it listed here. If you do not have a domain in Squarespace, we will use a picture of a domain page as an example. If you click Domain and you have a domain, select it. You will see your domain listed. Once you see the domain list, click this email. To set up Google Workspace email, click Get Started. You can also set up roles and email forwarding. Once you click Get Started, agree to the terms and conditions. Follow the instructions on the screen. Now, everything is ready to use Google Workspace email. Once everything is connected, you can start sending and receiving emails using your custom domain.